Okay, so once you've got your WordPress site set up on your Nginx server on a dedicated VPS, then Andrew has another course for backup of your WordPress sites. And as he says here in the course, it's a solution which is plugin free and on the server level. So I run 7 sites, host 7 sites on my server, and I've run these backups for 2 years. I haven't had to restore a backup, but it gives you a lot of peace of mind. For me, I have only needed to go through section 2, which is basically backing up all the WordPress sites on the current server, rather than sort of remote backup. And because it's so straightforward and automated, I then just once a week, it's now only twice a month, because it's been so reliable that I just put through FTP, I just back up the backups to a cloud storage. And so I have sort of a three-way fail-safe on the backups, which probably is overkill, but again, complete peace of mind that all the sites are backed up regularly and hassle-free. So you can head over to Udemy and again just look for WordPress Backup and Restore or Andrew Eaton, and this is a really valuable course. Of course, in addition, there's a lot more robust backup system that he goes through as well, which may be necessary for more high traffic type of sites. But again, with the VPS setup, SSL certificates automated, backups automated, and one other thing I do is for, I think it's just over $1, you can back up your server as well. So that's just a full reinstall of your server settings and whatever's on the server as it goes, if it goes down, and not related to restoring WordPress specifically, but that's just another added peace of mind option that I include. And then you are pretty set. Nothing is foolproof, as we've seen with all, even the major tech companies, but this goes a long way to help make sure that your WordPress sites are as secure as possible. And if anything goes wrong, you have a restore plan.